Hey Bubble Dev, this is Pedro here from B3 Academy, and today I want to introduce you to VIGIL. VIGIL is the name of this application that I've built to monitor and be always looking at your Bubble projects and guaranteeing that it is either running successfully or if anything wrong happens, you will be the first one to know. I don't know if it already happened to you on your own projects or on your agency projects that customers start having issues and you just are warned after a few days and your logs are already expired, so you cannot even trace what actually happened with your customers, with your users. So I've been through this a few times over the last 6 years working with Bubble, and this is the main reason that I decided to start building VIGIL. Let me share my screen with you and quickly showcase. This is VIGIL's landing page. It's just a brief of what it does. If you are curious about it, just access it and take a look with your own eyes. This is the admin dashboard where you, as the platform owner, will create your projects, manage them, users, languages, because it's multi-language. You can add as many languages as you want, as easy as exporting a CSV file, filling it, and uploading it to your platform. This is all on-premise, so I'll deliver it to you installed and configured on your own agency VPS. It runs 100% under your possession. Nothing stays with me. So it's fully white label, fully on-premise. All the data is yours and for as long time as you want to keep it, okay? This is a client's dashboard. Here we have some overall data about it, about its usage, actions, executions, median duration of their actions, how many different users used the platform over the selected period of time. Here we have the last 7 days, but you can change it for whatever you want to. You can export it as a CSV file, as a PDF file, and etc. You can see it in a user's point of view. As a guest, you will only see user X. You won't see users actual email because it's a private data. But if you are logged in as a dashboard user, authorized dashboard user for this project, you will be able to see client per client, how many executions they ran over that period of time, how many Ws they used, how much it would cost. You can create auto alerts based on several different triggers, by error rate, by W usage spikes, by internal incidents. And this is super cool because we monitor Bubble status for the platform status. So everything that happens there, we automatically catch it here and track mean time to resolve, mean time between failures. We not only monitor Bubble status, but we also take information from this data and also we cross it with your execution. So if you had a high error rate during a period, a time of a certain day, you get to know if Bubble was facing any incident over that same time. So this is super cool. And more than this, you can create your own incidents management system. And let's say, for example, in my case at B3 Academy, I have an online platform for classes, and Bubble might be running super fine, but if my video hosting provider is facing any issues, I can create this incident manually on my dashboard, and it will feed my public status page that, besides this, also runs a health check every 5 minutes, retrieving statistics from my project and also creating auto incidents if anything wrong happens. if a response time increases more than regular, you know. For client performance, we also monitor such data for events and loading time and etc. It gives me overall statistics and also per page. And one more thing that I think it's super valuable here on executions is we love Bubble, but we all must agree that their log system isn't that good, right? Isn't that organized. So here we have a way to filter by status, by event type, by the name of the execution, by ID, by cost range or duration range, or by user email and etc. And also we can see the details of each of these executions in a sequence, organized way with all the details. I can export a PDF from this, a CSV from this. I can see it in workflow look and feel, and I can add nodes to these executions. Okay, these nodes are centralized and all of the dashboard users have access to these nodes for executions, errors, and etc. So I can just click and see what happened. This was the error that happened, and this was the node that was added on this error event. Okay, so everything here is white label. This dashboard is configured for this project called Be Free, but you can create as many projects you want to. You can add their color scheme, you can add their slug, you can add their logos, their favicons, their languages, their currency, their time zone, their everything. Okay, so nothing here is hard-coded or fixed. Everything here works for you, for your branding, and for your project's branding. So everybody's happy in the end. Okay, so this is it. VIGIL won't be a SaaS for me. VIGIL was meant to be used by your project or your agency projects. So you will receive it fully installed on your VPS, fully working with 6 months of bug support, with everything that I've shown here and everything that I didn't show here yet, because we would take, I don't know, 2 hours to go through everything. But everything working fine for you. You just have to provide me VPS access with minimum requirements of something around $20 a month to start off. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions. Schedule a meeting with me on VIGIL's landing page. I have several buttons where you can schedule a meeting with me online. Okay, so I can answer all of your questions and we can understand if it makes sense to you. Okay, see ya. Thank you. Bye-bye.